టూ సైడ్స్ కవర్ అవుతుంది. Okay, welcome back to Happy Holes. I'm just going home from a shop which is located in Yezdi Nagar. I just wanted to see how Insta 360 will react to the heat in Hyderabad. It's like very hot these days. I don't know if in April if it is like this, I think it's gonna go till 50s in May. It's very hot, man, seriously. I don't know how people are like riding or selling on streets. Okay, let's talk about Jimny. I just spoke about like why did I just end up buying it, but I had this problem of rollovers, especially when there are sharp turns. So to avoid that, I had upscaled my tires to 215s, continental ones, and after that it is so stable. And but truly it has become very stable after that tires upgrade, man. The 195s what they gave, it's like very small for Jimny, and the rollover was very high with those tires, and these tires on the continental they actually make it very stable too. And I have even seen Yokohama, but I don't know, I fell in love with Continentals, the design, the ruggedness which it gives to the Jimny. And I've changed the grill from the stock grill. Personally, I didn't like the grill because they tried to mess it up with some odd design, man. They combined the Jeep's design and they brought it into Jimny, and I felt like it's not good looking enough. So I changed it to the one which has just a mesh. They even gave that Suzuki written logo, but I didn't attach it because it's looking nice without the logo. Thereafter, there is a little bit of mileage drop. Before on highways I used to get 17, but with Continentals I get around 15 now. And to be frank, in cities I used to get around 4 or 5 in the beginning, and later it got changed to 7, 6, 8 or something like that. But slowly I just learned how to drive it very slowly, not slowly, प्यार से ड्राइव करना बोलते हैं ना, just so I just started using a light pedal, and believe me, I'm just getting around 13-14 mileage in cities. There is a day even I got 17 mileage, like that was insane. So you don't need much power to move it front, because it's a rear wheel drive. It has its own characteristics. Even if you don't put power, just slides. And personally, when I started driving it with the light pedal, so it has changed a lot. Like the mileage has increased, and even there is a frequency, I mean the gauge change frequency has reduced, because when you go too harsh and you have to quick shift, I might be in 3 and then there might be a little bit of traffic in front of me, then I have to go into 2, again they have to come into 3. All that has drastically changed, because in Hyderabad it's never like it's gonna stuck. The places where I especially go, they are not like they are stuck. If there is a traffic signal, I'll just turn it off with the auto stop. But if it is a normal road, it's not like I'll get stuck or something. There will be always a movement, and to have to get into that movement, I just have to keep it sliding instead of rushing it too much to the traffic. So that way it has actually increased my mileage from 8 9 to literally 13 14 in heavy traffic, bumper to bumper traffic as well. And also if there is a minor traffic congestion, it has gone till 17. Coming to the service, it's a simple machine. If you take it to Maruti Suzuki, just like any other Maruti car, they'll just do it and give it back to you. Because it's a simple mechanical machine, right? No, not much electronics which are playing too much into your engine to control. And service is good. I just give it nearby to my home, and Maruti, we never had complaints, right? Spare parts, you know how it is for Maruti. But the availability is a bit of issue here, because I lost my left side mirror. I don't know, somebody has broke it wantedly. With what, I don't know. Seriously man, I kept it at some other's house. I just parked it in front of their house, and somebody broke it. And it was broken in such a way that it was dead wantedly. So I went to the service center to get that spare part, that mirror especially, and they told it'll at least take a week. So it's not like any other Maruti car where you get it instantly. It takes a bit of time for spare parts, I guess. So finally, Triumph has actually launched 350cc bikes, and it's more of a positive review. I don't know nearby dealerships have got it or not, so I'll definitely going to try it. And our OG Scrambler, Yezdi Scrambler is going to come on 24th, and I'm still waiting for it because it's going to come with a refined engine is what I'm hearing. And also this time it's more of cosmetic changes, and they're going to include a traction control as well, is what they are saying. And also it's going to be a single exhaust, not the dual exhaust which the older versions had, which I have. But it's going to be a miss on Scrambler, especially the look which it gives with dual exhaust is like exceptional, to be frank. So now if it's gonna come with a single exhaust, there will definitely a weight reduction in on the bike. It will be more easier to handle, I guess, and it will be much more easier to handle because the weight reduction will be happening. If you remove one side of the exhaust, it's gonna almost reduce 2 to 2.5 kgs. So that's going to be a plus point. The colors I'm not sure, because they are telling that they're going to be introducing new colors. Maybe they'll put that logo of 69. But I personally like the single tone colors where they had this orange, yellow, and I want them to introduce that green color, man, that military green. It's gonna look amazing, I'm sure. But it shouldn't be a glossy one. It should be something like a matte green, military kind of green. Definitely, it's gonna sell. The color actually makes it look amazing, you know. Even on cars, it looks very amazing, that greenish color. But I personally like yellow too. I like yellow, man. The yellow which I have is like very attractive. So I'm waiting for it to come so that I can go give it a try. I'm not sure when it's gonna come to the showrooms because even when Yezdi Adventure got released, the newer one, I didn't get it for test drive seriously. But I got it from service center. That's when I tried SD Adventure, and I had seen a lot of changes, man. When I rode it for the first time, it was like very short gate, and it was tough to turn also because the handlebar was so heavy. And when I took it for the second ride, the new one, that is that had lot of improvements is what I felt. So I'm waiting for this scrambler to come. I think not only me, a lot of members are waiting for it to come because this looks much better than any other scrambler which you see on road. I want them to give an option of dual exhaust also, that people decide what they want, whether they want a single exhaust or dual exhaust. If they're gonna give that option, I'll definitely choose a dual exhaust, and I'm gonna try it out. I'll see what are the major change. There are any major changes in it. I'll just go get it by exchanging this. But let's see. I've even bought the fuel X. I'm gonna order this engage filter as well. So I think there will be a lot of improvements after I install the engage filter, air filter, which is which is definitely an upgrade to the existing stock one.